the clouds maybe breaking apart, or different type of clouds where we can see a little bit more?
So all of the data is not suggesting that we're going to see 100% cloud cover, low clouds, severe weather during the eclipse. There has been some varying data here and there for some of the models that suggest more so 50 to 60%. Now, the national blend of models right now has a 65% coverage of cloud cover over the city of Tyler, and it does improve a little bit further off to the north and to the northwest. But folks, it's going to get dark. That is 100% true because we are in the path of totality. Here's the reason why. The moon is going to move in front of the sun, and because of that, the shadow of the moon is going to cast the shadow over the entire sun, and that will then be reflected onto the surface of the earth. So it's going to be like a giant shadow moving from southwest to northeast. So pretty cool, right? And the times that this will occur are going to vary. Further to the south and to the southwest, it's a little earlier. For example, just to the west of Austin, the time of totality will be at 1:39 for portions of that region. For us, it's a little closer to the 1:40 to 1:50 time frame, and the total darkness that will occur will range anywhere from 1 to 4 minutes depending on where in this circle you are. Now, as we move further up to the north and to the northeast, northeastern Arkansas at about 2 o'clock, Indiana 2:13, Lake Erie about 2:24, and then all the way up into Maine along the Canadian border by nearly 2:40. So pretty cool things. Here's the eclipse forecast. Now, as we look at this, temperatures in the 70s. As of right now, I did bump this down a little bit, so that should be a little bit of good news. 65% cloud cover with a chance of storms later, and we could see a significant chance of storms late Monday, Tuesday, and possibly again on Wednesday. Not a lot happening this weekend. It's part of the reason why I did bump down the rain chances a little bit, but as we head into Monday, we will be tracking that next chance of showers and thunderstorms. This is about noontime Monday. Most of the rain staying to the south of the path of totality. By 2 o'clock, we're still seeing an area of clouds, but as we move into Monday afternoon and throughout the day on Tuesday, we will be dealing with that chance of storms. Slight risk of severe weather, lots of mights, ifs, and maybes. We will iron out those details over the weekend, but a slight risk for Monday, a slight risk for Tuesday, and then another slight risk for Wednesday. So that is 3 consecutive days of a slight risk of severe weather. Now, I just mentioned with the severe weather threat, lots of maybes, lots of mights, lots of ifs. We will iron all those out. What I am fairly certain is we are going to see a lot of rain. Look at these rainfall totals. 2 to 4 inches for our western counties, 4 to 6 through Wednesday night for our central and eastern counties. So this could very well be one of those events where flash flooding could be a much higher threat than what it's been over the last couple of weeks when we've seen these rain spells move through. Next 7 days, we are dry this weekend. For the total solar eclipse Monday, storms occur after it, and then Tuesday and Wednesday, another chance of scattered to showers and thunderstorms. And then as we look at Deep East Texas, similar deal. We'll be dry Saturday, but storms arrive early next week. Casey?
Carson, thank you. Up next on Live at 5, the future.